Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you how to install these strut shocks, I guess. These are the hood struts for my truck. It's a 2008 Dodge Dakota. Super simple. On my specific vehicle, you'll see there is like a groove right there. You'll see this little metal piece, which is actually this ring right here. You're going to need this screwdriver. What you do is you follow that slot, pull up, and you can pop these off your vehicle. I do recommend using a set of vice grips on the opposite side of the strut, because my truck uses two to pop up the hood. If you don't have something supporting that extra weight on that strut, it's going to come crashing down and hit you in the head. So either if it's your truck, your trunk lid, or your hatch lid, it's good to kind of put the vice grips there and lock it. Replace one, put that one in, then go back, lock the other side, and replace the other one. It's a ball and socket type. So over there is the ball, this is your socket, and then this is just a push-in fitting. You just push it right in, it clips right in. So tools that I really need: vice grips, screwdriver, a small bit of grease, just drop my paper towel, and then a rag and some soap to clean the area. Let's go replace them. Alright guys, as you can see, it's super simple to install. Just be careful, make sure your opposite strut is locked in. Like I said, it can come crashing down, hit you in the head. Reason why I did change mine weren't going out quite yet. Like you see, this one's working really well. This one was starting to fail. So I was working on my truck and I had my hood halfway propped up. And I was in there in my truck when I was replacing my cables for my battery, so I was upgrading them. Hood came crashing down right in the middle of my back, so I figured it's about time to replace them. Like I said, one's perfectly strong, the other one is not. Make sure you're getting the strut specifically to your vehicle, because it's all based off of weight on what your vehicle. Granted, these probably fit $1 million for different cars, but make sure you're getting the right struts for your vehicle. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. Sorry for the noise. Arizona, 113 outside today. I'm running a little swamp cooler in my garage just so I don't die of heat exhaustion. So awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.